This is problem set 1 for the indices crackdown. And the first question says, write the value of 2 to the negative 5. Now, when a question is like this, what you're supposed to remember is that 2 to the negative 5 is the same as 2 to the negative 5 over 1. So now, you are simply going to take a reciprocal, and then the power is going to be positive. If you remember, in the previous videos, I had told you that a to the negative m is the same thing as a to the positive a to the power m. But now, because the question says find or write the value of, it means that you are supposed to recall what 2 to the power 5 is. 2 to the power 5 is like 2 by 2 by 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is basically 2 by 2 is 4, 8, 16, 32. So it means that 2 to the power 5 is 32. Hence, our final answer is 1 over 32. Now, the next question says, write each expression as a power of 3. Whenever the bases of index form are the same and the sign in the middle is multiplication, then it means that you can simply add the powers. Now, 2 plus 4 is basically 6. So our final answer is 3 to the power 6. Moving along, the question says 3 to the power 6 times 3 to the negative 6, 3 to the negative 4, sorry. Same thing, it's going to be 3 to the power 6 plus negative 4. Then you recall that a positive and a negative make a negative. So this is more like 6 minus 4. Hence, the final answer is 3 to the power 2. Moving along, you are supposed to remember that if the sign in the middle is division and the bases are the same, then it simply means that you are going to subtract. Hence, if you have negative, or rather minus, because here it's a division sign, negative is a plus, so our answer will be 3 to the power 9. Moving along, the question says 3 to the power 4, all in brackets, and negative 2 outside. When it's like this, according to the laws of indices, you are supposed to take the 4 and then multiply it by the negative 2. Hence, 4 by negative 2 is basically negative 8. Hence, that's our final answer. Now, the next one says 3 squared, all in brackets, to the power negative 2 times 3 to the power 4. So the first thing I'm going to do is to compute this as a single power. When it's like this, it's more like you're going to say 2 by 2. Hence, this will be 3, negative 4. And then, when the bases are the same, you add the powers. So negative 4 plus 4, that's basically 3 to the power 0. Now, we have to be careful. I know that one can get carried away and say that the answer is 1. Even though such a person would be correct, you have to remember that the original instruction in the question was saying each expression should be written as a power of 3. So it means that we are going to end at 3 to the power 0.